Morning. It's June 24th, and we harvested all of our Yukon Gold potatoes except for 10 5-gallon buckets that should be done in another 2 months that we're going to try to use for seed potatoes. And you can see here we ended up with a milk crate that's got several layers of potatoes. I think there's 4 rows in there. And those will be, those still have the dirt on them. That's just how they come out of the ground. I put them in this milk crate and I cover them with newspapers and I set them over our air conditioning vent in our back room. That's the coldest room in the house. And out of 2 planter boxes, the planter boxes were 3 feet, 3.5 feet by 7 feet. And we had 2 of those that we took the potatoes down 2 days ago. And then yesterday we harvested 3 5-gallon buckets and 2 10-inch pots. And we ended up with, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 28 quarts. 28 quarts of potatoes. Yukon Golds. The ones in the back I just processed this morning. We finished last night with these, and then I did the rest this morning. So we ended up with 28 quarts. And then we have over a half of a milk crate with more Yukon Gold. We'll probably eat these fresh, these smaller guys fresh. And then I'll save the nicest ones for seed potatoes for next year, along with the 10 buckets we have out still growing. So just wanted to show you that, and we picked our first Roma tomato. This is a Roma hybrid. Turned out pretty nice. We have 10 plants. I think, no, we have 10 on this side. We have 18 plants of those, so we'll be canning some of that up if they do well. So I just wanted to make a video. Well, there's our cat. She jumped up there. She's getting ready to touch that hot jar in the back. Don't touch that jar, Allie. But there's our harvest. Anybody can do this. 2 planter boxes, 3 5-gallon buckets, and 2 10-inch pots. And that's what we ended up with. A very nice Yukon Gold harvest. Thanks for watching.